These FIFA World Cup videos are absolutely exploding on YouTube right now. This channel has only just started, yet it has already gained more than 2,000 subscribers. Even more impressive, one of its videos reached over 358,000 views in just 10 days. Now, let me show you what I created with AI in less than 5 minutes.
Imagine your team wins a match, finishes third in its group, and still qualifies for the knockout stage. It might sound impossible, but that's exactly how the 2026 FIFA World Cup format works. If you don't understand the new format, you're almost guaranteed to get confused while watching the tournament. So, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. The biggest change is that FIFA has completely redesigned the World Cup format for the first time since 1998.
Now, I'm going to show you a completely free method to create videos like this yourself. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do because we're getting started right now. First, open the master prompt using the link in the description below. Copy the video discovery prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter and you'll instantly receive 5 engaging video ideas to choose from. Pick the one you like best. I'm going with the 5th idea. Next, copy the script creation prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Paste your selected video idea into the topic section of the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, Claude AI will generate a complete, ready-to-use script. After that, copy the image prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, copy your entire script and paste it into the script section of the image prompt. Press enter and prompts for the first 5 scenes will be generated automatically. Simply type next 5 and you'll instantly get prompts for the next 5 scenes. Keep repeating this until prompts for your entire video are ready all in one place. Now copy image prompt 1 and open Google Flow. Select the image option, choose your preferred image model and settings, paste the prompt and press enter. Within seconds, your first scene will be generated. Choose the image you like best, click the 3 dots and select add to prompt. Then copy image prompt 2, paste it in and repeat the same process until every image for your video is complete. To show you the final result, I created the first 5 images. Now it's time for the voiceover. Copy your entire script. I'm only copying a small section here to demonstrate the process. Paste the script into any text-to-speech tool such as ElevenLabs and generate your voiceover. In just a few seconds, your narration will be ready. Next, import all of your images and the voiceover into your favorite video editor. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. Then arrange each image so it matches the corresponding part of the script. To make your video look more cinematic, add CapCut's real lens effect. It instantly improves the overall quality and visual appeal of the video. Finally, click export and your FIFA World Cup video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. The master prompt is available right now in the description below. Subscribe to the channel for more trending AI tutorials like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.